Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2018 Honda Pilot Elite. This has a white exterior and a beige interior with leather-lined seats. Also has dual sunroofs. All-wheel drive. So V6, 3.5-liter engine. You can see the power opening and closing trunk. We have our rear seats, and then third row back behind. Driver's side door, driver's seats, and steering wheel. This has a push button ignition, as you can see, and 40,743 for miles. Of course, radio, navigation system. See the shifter here. And backup camera. If you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.